Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make dubstep in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the options you have for instruments, you can find the audio recorder and so on, and get started. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with playing and recording dubstep. The first thing we can take a look at right here guys is at the top of the screen where you can see next to the tracks we have the live loops, and once you open up the live loops you can find the loops that have been automatically created already by Apple and that you can use for your uses. And as you can see, one of the options right here at the right side of the screen is called dubstep. So let's go and see, take a look. By clicking on dubstep, as you can see, it's going to give us an already made loop where we can take a look at all the instruments that have been used. You can take a look in the recording menu right here and you can go ahead and use that loop for your purposes. But guys, if you do not want to use that, we can go back and take a look at the tracks right here and get started reproducing it ourselves. So basically you will need all the instruments that you normally use for dubstep, such as the keyboard. You can even add drums and so on to get your desired effect. So tap on the instruments you want to get started with, and we're using the big red circle right here at the top of the screen, which is the record button. You can get started re-recording your desired song. So after recording your song, click here in the upper left corner to open up the mixing menu where you can find all the instruments and tracks that you have, so you can take a look at how they sound, get started pairing them up and getting your desired dubstep song. But yeah guys, basically that is how you can get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.